Hi, it's Jen from Air Filters Delivered to show you how to install an air filter in your home air conditioning system. The air filter for any central heating and air conditioning systems goes in one of two places, your air return vent or in the actual air handler or furnace. In either case, go ahead and turn your unit off so as you are changing the filter, you don't accidentally suck a bunch of spilled dust and grit into the unit and undo the good work your filter has done. For an air return vent, just flip the latch and open the hinged screen. Remove your old filter. Now, on the side of your new filter, there will be some arrows showing airflow. Place the filter in the vent with those arrows pointing into the duct. Close that up and you're done. Too easy. Remember, if you have two-zone air conditioning, as in many two-story homes, you will need to replace filters in each. Any forced air system uses an air filter, so if you don't see a hinged air return vent in your home, it will be in your central unit. Whether it's an air handler for an AC system, heat pump, or a furnace, open the access panel, which will normally have some hand screw knobs at the corners. Your old filter will be there right where the air return duct meets the unit. Remove that. Now check that airflow arrow on the side of your new filter. Place the new filter in your unit so that the arrow points from the return duct into the actual unit. Replace the access panel and turn your unit back on. And remember, Air Filters Delivered is the perfect place for replacement filters. You can find any size available and, with our price match guarantee and free shipping, it's hard to go wrong. airfiltersdelivered.com. Let us fetch your filters.